morning, Temple takes on here, and today we're going to be taking on Bayfront Builders Challenge. And today I actually teamed up with Hamilton Burlington Society of Architects, so I'm with that group. And yeah, we're going to be building a custom wooden chicken coop and planter. So I think it's going to be a really exciting challenge to take on and build in under 4 hours. And we're going to be doing it all for a great cause. All the proceeds that we raise and that piece is going to be auctioned off. It's actually going to be going back into the Threshold School of Building, which is a local nonprofit and a charity based in Hamilton to help pretty much students and people to get into the skilled trades and help get them on their feet. So I think it's going to be a really exciting day, and yeah, so hopefully you enjoy the building process, and hopefully the chicken coop turns out to what we planned. So yeah, it's going to be a lot of fun.
Good morning, everyone. I almost feel like we got to get into let's get ready to rumble!
Woo!
I've always wanted to say that.
Yay! Let's go HBSA! One, two, three. HBSA!
Young Architects of Hamilton custom bench. Check out this build. Pretty good. Nice design. It's got little planters at the bottom. They're auctioning off our chicken coop now, so let's go see how much they get for it.
Awesome! Thank you, sir! Woo! This man just bought our chicken coop. High five, buddy. Thank you, eh? There we go.
Oh, yeah. Once again, round of applause for our winners.
Nice.